Jesus house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor all alone. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. If you on holiday, let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Yeah. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. If you on holiday, let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Yeah. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a...
Start clearing out the owner of the property.
Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you.
What is it?
Said that everybody start clearing out because the owner of the property is pissed.
Oh, okay. people standing outside already. This nigga! Let's go.
Fuck, the person already
You
to the
see?
street.
That was the cop
Yeah,
that
but
was
you
next to
should've
you.
that he pulled you over, plus
Look,
you turned.
you see, I told you.
If you would have kept straight. It's right when you guys turned, I'm like, oh, he's following us. He's going to me. Let me go somewhere else. I turned left over here, like 2-3 blocks. I'm like,
into the
when you guys turned in here,
Oh, okay.
I went, changed the lanes over to the third one. I made a left at the lane, kept on going. Like, I'm in the left lane, I changed to the right lane, and he changed. I'm like, fuck. So I knew he was gonna pull me over. Then he turns on the lights. He's like, and I parked over there. He's like, yo, I'm in the central door. I couldn't see you were in the sheet though. And I'm like, no, I'm sorry. I just bought the car, and already I had my wallet, pulled it out, put the title. I have the title in my wallet, so I threw it inside. I'm like, yeah, I just bought the car. I'm sorry. He's like, you got anything inside the car? I'm like, no, I don't smoke weed or anything. Blah blah blah. He's like, all right, just let me get your license. Like 2 minutes. That's it. Just your license. Like,
He was just checking out.
no, nothing.
Most of the time,
He was just to check up, see if you're running dirty or not. So
no, it's just like
No, you know, he saw
it's just like he
ran
already
my
pulled him
time.
over. He already pulled him over, so he has to run something. He can't just put him over and be like, bye. No.
No, he has to have some sort of intent, some sort
He's
of
got to
like,
run something.